That's good because some of the women in our newsroom play
know.
this stuff.
So popular.
Yeah, amazingly so.
Yeah. Well, we've had a great holiday weekend so far. Beautiful in the mornings especially is my favorite time of day so far. But temperatures started out today in low 70s and tomorrow very similar. We could start out a few clouds out there by noon though, climbing into the upper 80s. Afternoon high still not sweltering like we could see this time of year, but still 94 is pretty hot. We also have a small possibility for a pop-up shower or two. Most of those will be confined to mainly our eastern counties east of the Austin area. But still you could get a very small shower, maybe a brief thunderstorm later through the later afternoon hours tomorrow. Most of us, though, staying dry. Right now, Camp Mabry's clear skies, 84 degrees there, clear and 85 out at the airport. Winds light out of the southeast for the time being. They'll stay that way through tomorrow as well. And then temperatures across the area have dropped into the upper 70s in some places like Burnett and Fredericksburg. Still in the mid-80s in Georgetown, low 80s towards Bastrop and Lockhart this evening. Across the state, most of us in the low 80s almost across the board from Corpus Christi at 84 to Waco, 83 degrees there. It's 85 right now in San Angelo. And across the state, we've had very quiet conditions all day long, but we're watching some changes to our south over the southern Gulf of Mexico. We have kind of this area of a tropical disturbance. It actually has about an 80% chance of becoming a brief tropical depression before it even moves on land, but it's going to be making its way kind of towards the Texas area to the north and west, and as it does so, it brings us a very good chance of rain as we head through your Tuesday and Wednesday when most of us are going to be heading back to work and back to school out there. So in the upper levels of the atmosphere, let's walk you through this a little bit. We're going to have that area of low pressure to our south make its way up through Texas starting late Monday night and early Tuesday. That's when the rain will start to make its way here into the central Texas region, and then this whole system will continue to push off kind of to the north by late Tuesday and into Wednesday. So it's going to be a several-day event here when we have that possibility for some showers and possibly even heavy rain at times. As we go through hour by hour, we can take you through tonight, mostly clear to partly clear skies. Tomorrow, partly sunny all day long. There's that small chance of a shower or two through the afternoon hours. We're about 20%, so most people will stay dry. But that rain chance increases dramatically heading into your Tuesday. Tuesday morning, the bulk of the wet weather staying to our south and to our east. But as we go through the day, it's going to roll over the areas. We could see anywhere between, it looks like 2 to 4 inches here in the central Texas region, the heaviest amounts along the coast. But that doesn't mean that we can't see an isolated higher amounts up to about 10 inches. Especially if we get a heavy thunderstorm or heavy rain shower over one area for a prolonged period of time. So it's going to be very interesting with all of the tropical moisture that's going to be over central Texas for the start of this week, just how it plays out. There's been a couple of forecast models that shifted the pattern of where the storm goes just a little bit here or there. So there's still a little discrepancy out there, but it will bring us rain as we head into the first part of this week. Lows tonight will keep us dry. Temperatures falling into the low 70s. Very pleasant early tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, mid 90s almost across the board. So in Austin tonight, 72 degrees, partly clear skies. For tomorrow, partly sunny, 94. There's a 20% chance for a shower or afternoon storm. Tuesday, though, the wet weather chance jumps to 60%, 50% on Wednesday. Overcast skies and rain will help keep our temperatures in the 80s both days. We start to see the system move out by Thursday, though, still keeping a chance of rain all the way through Friday. By next weekend, partly sunny and temperatures top out back in the mid